The mechanical elephant emerges from the fog, a marvel of brass and steam, its gears whirring softly as it navigates the cobbled streets. Inside the elephant's control room, gears grind and steam hisses as the operator expertly guides the colossal machine. The elephant delicately picks up a small child lost in the crowd with its trunk, returning him safely to his worried mother. A rival inventor sabotages the elephant, causing it to malfunction and rampage through the city streets. Professor Armstrong races against time to repair the damaged elephant, dodging falling debris and overcoming treacherous obstacles. Emily Carter bravely confronts the saboteur, engaging in a tense showdown amidst the chaos. The elephant, now repaired, uses its immense strength to save a collapsing building, preventing a major disaster. Professor Armstrong and Emily Carter celebrate their success, sharing a knowing glance as the elephant stands proudly behind them. The camera focuses on the intricate details of the elephant's mechanical components, highlighting the ingenuity of its design. A flashback shows Professor Armstrong as a young boy, dreaming of building incredible machines. The mechanical elephant participates in a grand parade, celebrated as a symbol of innovation and progress. A museum exhibit showcases the history and evolution of mechanical elephants, from early prototypes to the finished masterpiece. The elephant is used to explore uncharted territories, traversing dangerous landscapes and discovering new wonders. The elephant becomes a mobile hospital, providing medical care to remote communities in need. The elephant is transformed into a research laboratory, studying the natural world and conducting scientific experiments. The elephant is used as a rescue vehicle, saving people from natural disasters such as floods and earthquakes. The elephant becomes a symbol of peace and cooperation, uniting different cultures and nations. An elderly Professor Armstrong reflects on his life's work, watching the mechanical elephant continue its journey. The mechanical elephant continues its legacy, inspiring future generations to dream big and create incredible things.